Dito kukuha ng ticket bago ka pumasok sa Ocean Park. Ayan.
Nice. So one. Yeah. Okay na po. Makikita ko na si Serena.
Pasok kami sa television. Pasok na to. Nag-umpisa na yung goldfish.
Basta kayo makanak sa gilid ba?
Tara.
Now guys, do you think Dazzle has the ability to find the hidden object? If it's yes, then say, you can do it, Dazzle! Guys, first of all, followed only by Sassy. Another one from Rocky. Let's use the latest game. And for last ball, Rocky wins! What do you say about win? Okay, what's happening? Sassy picked up the 3 rings at the same time! How is that? And the winner is Sassy! What do you say about 3 in the bar? 3 rings at the same time?
Hey, you guys cheated!
Oh,
Good day everyone and welcome to Aquatica. By the way, I'm Trainer Perks and I would like to meet my friends together with the trainers one of a time. On your left side is the eldest female South American sea lions that we have. And according to our trainer, she is the cutest. Wow, confident. Her name is Yenny together with trainer Bina. Say hi! On the other side is the youngest female South American sea lions that we have. And according to her trainer, she is the sexiest. Oh, don't be shy, girl. Her name is Sandra. Together with trainer G, say hello. Now let's continue. So guys, do you have any idea why they're called fin or feathers put in marine mammals? Any idea? Do they have feathers? Well, let's ask them. Hey ladies, do you have feathers? Well, the answer is no. It's actually because of their front flippers, which are shaped like a bird's wing. See those? The term pinniped may be also translated as wing-footed, since their flipper do look somewhat like wings. In fact, they appear to be flying underwater as they swim from place to place, right ladies? And you know, they're often mistaken as a seal because they look very much alike. But some differences between a seal and a sea lion is the fact they have bigger front flippers. And also turn their back flippers, something seals cannot do. As a result, they can walk upright while on land. And that's the fine demonstration. How about a round of applause for sea lion friends? And you know what guys? And they have long and flexible legs. How flexible? Well, check this out. So flexible, right? How about another round of applause for sea lion friends? As you can see, their bodies cover the thin coat of short coarse hair, and their whiskers help the sea lion's sense of touch. They contain nerve fibers which make them sensitive. Wow, nice smile. Hey! They may also use their whiskers to aid in navigation or to detect vibration from prey in the water. And their small sternal ears give them a good sense of hearing both above and below the water surface. Sea lions any marine mammals can see both above and underwater. They have keen eyesight but no color visions. In the wild, they inhabit waters close to shore, flat rocky with typhoons, and have a preference for rocky beaches. They have excellent climbing abilities, which can easily scale rocky cliffs. Check this out, surely strong front flippers. Now, let's talk about their swimming abilities, and let's start with Yenny, the smartest. Sea lions can generally cruise at around 11 miles per hour using the rowing movement of their front flippers, while their back flippers are stretched out behind their bodies, functioning as rudder for steering. And that is the normal swing. Nice and easy. Thank you, Yenny and Trainer Divina. But when chasing their prey or escaping from predators, they can achieve a burst speed up to Ready, Sandra? 25 miles per hour! That is so fast! How about a round of applause for Sandra, the sexiest? Wow, nice glide! And another one, she deserves it! Now, here's an interesting story about the sea lion. Did you know that the US Navy has trained a few of them to take part in their special operations? Yup, that's right. They are able to hold their breath for up to 20 minutes and they can dive hundreds of feet, abilities that even the best Navy diver would feel envious of. And since cannot be detected by radar underwater, they are taught to recognize and avoid underwater mines. Alright ladies, trainers, are you ready? Well then, salute! Now let's march. Ready? Up, 2, 3, 4, up, 2, salute! Now this time, could you please join our sea lion in a salute? In a count of 3, everybody please salute and make this one loud. Alright guys, are you ready? Hey guys, I can't hear you. Are you ready? Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, salute everybody. Thank you so much. Sea lions are also used to search and recover equipment from the water. H2O. So trainers, what first? The ring? Go ahead and hit the rings. And they got it! How about a round of applause for Sea Lion friends? Great job, ladies. And another one. They asking for it. So trainers, what next? The ball? How do you think they get the balls? It's a ball balance. Careful, ladies. Almost there. Careful. Steady and fantastic. How about a round of applause for Sea Lion friends? Excellent work, ladies. Now this time, would you love to see a dance number from our Sea Lion friends? Hey guys, where's the energy? Would you love to see them dance? Well, hit it, maestro! Let's move it! Okay guys, clap your hands everybody, come on! Now show them the side by side. And the flipper dancing! Into the water ballet. Squeeze it and turn it. Go Sandra. And around the world we'll go. Round and round. On the other side. Round and round. Okay ladies, show them the boogie boogie. Boogie boogie, shake, shake, shake. Our favorite part, the booty shaker. Shake those booties. Go trainer Eugene, yeah, and keep on rolling. Okay ladies, show them what you got. People of the crowd, ready your camera because this is the best part. Steady and arriba! And for the finale. Steady and let's go! Yeah! Round of applause for Sea Lion friends and the trainers as well for the great dance number. Is Suri. We hope you all enjoy spending your afternoon here at Aquatica with your newfound friends, the South American sea lions Yenny and Santa. And we also hope that even after you leave, you will take this experience with you wherever you go. And remember that what we do here on land greatly affects our friends in the sea. Sea lions, like many marine animals, cannot survive a harsh environment. So let's keep our surroundings clean. Aside from pollution, there are many other threats to their survival all over the world, such as climate change and illegal hunting. You can learn more about this inside our oceanarium. Always keep in mind that we are steward of our planet, and thus, each one of us must do what we can to protect and conserve all inhabitants of our Mother Earth, including ourselves. So on behalf of Yenny and Rainer Dina, Sandra and Trainer Eugene, all of us here at Aquatica and Manila Ocean Park, we would like to thank everyone for visiting us today. And we hope you all enjoy and visit us again soon. So take care and have a nice day. Say goodbye to our sea lion friends. Bye! By the way guys, if you love some souvenir pictures with sea lions and birds, please approach our friendly photographer at the exit area. And again, thank you for watching!